Welcome to aminacademy.com and how the machines work. In that, we'll discuss about how does the steam boiler work. Understanding the working of the boiler, steam boiler is very simple. The boiler is a closed vessel in which the water is stored. Hot gases are produced by burning a fuel in the furnace. These hot gases are made to come in contact with the water vessel where the heat transfer takes place between the water and the steam. Therefore, the basic principles of the boiler is to convert hot water into steam by using heat energy. There are different types of boiler used for different purposes. Now look at this figure. Here in a closed vessel, tubes are interconnected, that is a boiler tubes, and here surround that boiler tubes, fire is created by coal or some other gases. Due to the heat produced surrounding the tube, where the tube inside is filled is a water, so by heat exchange the water becomes a steam and it is stored and come through these tubes. This is a basic boiler working. This is a look at this boiler structure. Now, then parts of the steam boiler, that is a heating steam, that is steam, radiator, air vessels, exhaust pipe, return pipe, boiler, steam line pipes. These are the combination of steam boiler. This is a heat exchanger in a steam boiler. The tubes are called heat exchanger. The steam boiler works by converting water into steam using the heat energy from the combustion of fuel. This steam is then used for various applications like powering turbines or heating buildings. The process involves heating water, generating steam, then using and then using the steam with a portion of the condensed steam being recirculated back to the boiler to repeat the cycle. Now, here more detailed things here. Fuel combustion and heat generation. Fuel, here example, natural gas, oil, coal, is burned within the boiler's combustion chamber, producing high temperature gases. These hot gases transfer heat through heat energy to the water within the boiler tubes. Water heating and steam generation. The water surrounds the combustion chamber is heated by the hot gases. As the water temperature raises, that is inside the tube, water is there, it raises the temperature. It eventually reaches its boiling point and turns into steam. How the steam is utilized? The generated steam is channeled out of the boiler through pipes and valves. It can be used to power turbines, heat buildings, or be used in various industrial processes. Condensation and recirculation. As the steam is used, it loses its heat energy and condenses back into liquid water, that is condensate. From the condenser it's collected. The condensate is then returned to the boiler to be heated again, completing the cycle. That means what? First water is heated, become a steam, and steam is used, that energy is used and come back to the condenser. It condensates as a water. Then this water is reused for another cycle. Cycles continues. Pressure and temperature control. The steam boiler are designed to maintain a specific steam pressure and temperature within the boiler. Safety controls are in place to shut down the boiler if the pressure exceeds a safe limit. Types of boilers. There are various types of boilers including fire tube boilers, water tube boilers, and electric boilers, each designed for different applications and fuel sources. In essence, in summary, you can say a steam boiler is a closed vessel system where heat is used to transform water into steam, which is then utilized for various applications with the condensate being recycled to ensure continuous operation. So far we discussed about steam boiler and how it works. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.